unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Start diagnosing a persistent check engine light by using an OBD-II scanner. It reads trouble codes from your car's computer, pinpointing issues like loose gas caps, faulty sensors, or ignition problems. Then, check the code online or in your manual to understand the fix. This quick method helps you decide whether to DIY or call a mechanic.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.